Now, our next presenter is Nick Wolf, who's the CFO and head of VP of Corporate Development for Philogica. I'll give you a little bit of a background to Philogica. Philogica is a biotechnology company based in Perth, Australia and the Oxford, UK, with a world-class drug discovery platform harnessing the rich biodiversity of nature to discover novel peptide therapeutics. Please welcome Nick Wolf to the stage.
Thanks, Steve, and thank you to Wholesale Investor for the opportunity to present today. I'll take this as read, the disclaimer. So as Steve said, so we're based in Western Australia. We came out of a very prestigious institute, the Child Health Research Group, and also work that was done in the US at the Fox Chase Cancer Center. So we're a publicly listed company, and our platform, as Steve mentioned, is around peptides. Now, peptides is one of the fastest growing areas in the biotech sector at the moment. We have a discovery alliance model, which means we like the last company, BioDM, we are generating revenue from partnering our platform with large pharmaceutical companies, and we've only been in the commercial phase for 2.5 years, and we've been successful in generating now 4 deals which are producing revenue for us, and we're well positioned to really boost that revenue stream and to take the company to cash sustainability. So just briefly on the management team, our chairman is from Boehringer Ingelheim, Doug Wilson. Our founder and CEO is Paul Watt. My background is in finance and business development, and our head of R&D is also one of the founders on the technology. So why peptides? Well, peptides are basically small proteins, so they're fragments of proteins. And insulin, for example, is a peptide. It's already a $13 billion market, and it's one of the hottest spaces because peptides offer something that other biological drugs can't do, which is that they can penetrate cells and target the cell biology within a cell, which antibodies and protein therapies can't do today. And new technologies which are available to us and others have addressed some of the issues around peptides, which have been the short half-life, so you can extend the half-life, and also you can make peptides more stable through various technologies. So there's increasing interest in this area, and we are well positioned given also the increasing outsourcing from pharma of drug discovery activities. We are now in a position that we believe that our company will, if not taken out in a trade sale, will see the company expand revenue rapidly over the next couple of years. So what is our technology? Well, we call them phylomeres. That's our trademark. Phylomeres, it stands for the phylogenetic tree. And why is that? Because our technology is around taking the diversity that is evident within evolution and making that available for drug discovery. So our libraries we have more than 35 genomes, which we essentially fragment into peptide sizes in order to capture that biodiversity that is evident. So you only have to look at Alexander Fleming, and for example with penicillin, and many other examples of natural products that have proven to be effective drugs. So that we also take many of the genomes that we take are from bacteria and viruses that live in these harsh environments, what we call extremophiles or thermophiles, such as deep sea volcanic vents or geysers, and that means that the peptides in our libraries have natural stability, which different to those that are available from other peptide libraries. So our libraries we have 5 times 10 to the 10, which means we have 50 billion peptides in our libraries. And this just shows a phylogenetic tree, and marked in orange are the genomes from which we generate our peptides. And this is where the real diversity lies in nature. So the trees to the left and to the center, the bacteria and the archaea, these diverged 3 billion years ago. So there's much more diversity in these genomes than there are in for example, humans and fungi. We have demonstrated that we can even in screening our libraries, we can identify potent peptides that are more effective. In this case, it's an antimicrobial screen that are more effective than some of the marketed products on the market. We also have a joint venture with the Medical Research Council in the UK to use our libraries for understanding disease pathways and identifying new targets for therapeutic intervention. Our business model is focused on drug discovery. That's where our expertise lies. We have these collaborations already in place, and the two take-home messages from these relationships, and these are all household names. The two take-home messages are, A, that we've been able to deliver on what's been asked of us in all of these collaborations, and B, the deals are getting larger. So our most recent collaboration with Janssen, part of Johnson & Johnson, is the broadest to date, is potentially up to 15 drug candidates and potentially over a 5-year period. So we're really building value today in terms of these deals. They all have back-end milestones and revenues. Our market cap today is around $12 million. The ticker is PYC. We have enough money in the bank, we believe, to take the company through to cash sustainability, given the revenue expectations that we have. So in summary, we have what is a world-class peptide discovery platform. We have validated our business model. We've signed 4 great partners, and we're very close to signing our next partnership, which will be our largest to date. We're accessing new markets through our relationship with the MRC, and we anticipate rapid revenue growth. And we believe that our business is not, the value of our platform is not recognized today in our current share price. Thank you so much.